Robinhood, the app that changed the investment landscape for US investors, is finally coming to the UK. It's been talked about for some time, but it's finally been announced that it's going to land in early 2020. It really is exciting times in the investment world right now.
Being based in the UK, we've not had the pleasure of using this app ourselves, but we've heard plenty of stories from those across the pond about just how revolutionary Robinhood has been. For those wondering what these two guys are babbling on about, Robinhood is of course the pioneer of commission-free investing.
This is not just a claim, it really is true. They've got over 6 million customers in the US and changed how investing is done forever. Essentially forcing all the major US investment platforms to follow suit, laying to rest those much-loathed investment fees. Here in the UK, we're always a little behind the pace, but we've already seen a few investment apps bring commission-free trading to the UK from the likes of Trading 212 and Freetrade. When it comes to the UK market, is Robinhood too late to the game? And what can they do differently that the likes of Freetrade aren't already doing?
In this video, we're going to look at some of the cool things we can expect from a Robinhood UK investment app. Let's check it out. Welcome to Money Unshackled, the investment and finance channel that sets you and your finances free. This is Andy, I'm Ben, and if you like what we say, hit the like button and click subscribe.
If you can't or don't want to wait for Robinhood, then definitely give Freetrade a go. If you use our special link, you'll receive a free stock worth up to £200 when signing up to Freetrade. Check out the offers page at much-loathed.com for this link and to see many more amazing offers. We'll put the link to this offer page in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Let's get into the video.
What can we expect? Looking at an article from TechCrunch, Robinhood are claiming it starts with our core platform, unlimited commission-free trades, no account minimums, and access to a huge range of equities from both the US and from across the world. Secondly, we will enable instant deposit, instant trading without any foreign exchange fees. Users can fund very easily from any UK bank using a phone or debit card and withdraw just as easily.
That sounds great, but it doesn't appear to be much more than what we already have. Trading 212 and Freetrade are already offering most of this after all, and are already great commission-free trading apps. Nevertheless, we welcome Robinhood with open arms, as the increased competition can only be good for us investors.
The current free trading apps in the UK are lacking in additional features, so it'll be interesting to see what Robinhood offer differently when they arrive. Although it is early days and developments are being made all the time. According to that TechCrunch article, Robinhood will also include information to help with trading, including videos from the Wall Street Journal, CNN, and Reuters, along with features to help users keep track of their investments, such as price movement alerts, analyst ratings, earnings, and being able to dial into earnings reports.
This sounds awesome, and the current assembly of free apps are not yet excelling in this area. However, we doubt even Robinhood will be able to offer as many features as the fee-based investment platforms, but we're eager to find out.
We might be wrong here, and let's hope we are. How great would it be to have an all-singing and dancing investment platform that doesn't charge? According to CNBC, Robinhood have a valuation of $7.6 billion, so they certainly have the financial backing to make this a possibility.
New investors. Here at moneyunshackled.com, we're on a mission to get more people thinking and talking about money. Actually, not just talking, we want people taking action with their money. Young people in the UK don't invest, which is an absolute travesty. It's so easy to make a load of money in the markets by investing over the years, but nobody's doing it.
Commission-free trading apps like Robinhood and Freetrade are not just stealing customers from the main platforms, but they are democratizing investing and opening it up to new and young investors which otherwise may have felt that investing was inaccessible to them. The ability to buy exciting companies like Apple and Google from your mobile phone without being charged is just incredible.
Join the wait list. At the moment, you can join the waiting list. We think the idea here is to pretend that there's some sort of urgency to join up in order to get more people to rush to the app. We remember Freetrade do something similar when they launched, but we're pretty confident that when the app eventually launches, they'll let everybody use it anyway.
We're even tempted to say that you shouldn't rush to join the app, as when Robinhood are here, they may even offer you a free share to join to deal with the tough competition. Almost all the apps and platforms are trying to entice you to join and so are giving away free money. You can check out the offers page at moneyunshackled.com just to see all of the offers that we've found for you.
We would expect Robinhood to initially give nothing away, but once all the early adopters have signed up, we would then expect them to join the Refer a Friend revolution. We'll certainly be getting in touch with them to see if they can offer anything to our great viewers, so look out for this.
FSCS protection? Normally we are protected from platform failure by the Financial Service Compensation Scheme, which is a UK protection scheme. However, according to Robinhood UK's own website, it seems that the protection will instead come from a US scheme. This does seem unusual, as all the investment platforms we've dealt with previously were either UK protected or occasionally European protected via the EU passporting laws. This might be an area that we need to explore further.
Is it just US stocks? Again, according to Robinhood, you can trade 3,500 US stocks plus over 1,000 global stocks listed on the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. This isn't clear on which stocks will be available, but it seems that it is only US listed stocks. Let's hope that this is just for launch and that UK listed stocks and ETFs are just around the corner. If not, it will put them at a massive disadvantage compared to what we already have in Freetrade and Trading 212.
Question of the day. Do you think that Robinhood is going to be the game changer that we've all been waiting for? Or do you think that the likes of Trading 212 and Freetrade are already offering way more? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching! On this channel we talk a lot about personal finance, investing and all things money. And if you want to see more great content, please click the subscribe button below.
This is moneyunshackled.com. See you next time.